Hello, this is a vintage 1940s RCA alarm clock tube radio. Definitely needs some work. There's some loose connections between the knobs. Sometimes there is a hum in the back. Sometimes if you jiggle the cord, sometimes you get a little bit of a hum. And I'll try to demonstrate the hum if I can, and what I'm doing to correct the hum. Again, I know nothing about tube radios. You can see the front, the side has a very cool chrome face. You can see that the clock is working. I'm going to turn the radio on. There's a knob here. Turn it over. We'll turn the radio on. It is a tube radio. It's going to take a second to warm up. You can see side, and there's the side. You can see the back here. There's a knob to adjust. Then we'll come back around to the front.
The reason why the Democrats gave her a chance to run this thing twice, she should have gotten the picture in 2008. Because 2008, that's when she was Garrett.
Works as well.
And they had to pay her back. She saved her husband's presidency by sticking with him. She saved the Democrat Party by staying with her husband during all of those affairs
here by going down one more on the button. Go downward. Turn the volume up a little bit, and then I'm going to advance the alarm so it'll go off so I don't have to sit here and wait several minutes. I'm going to go down here, and then you can see where I'm adjusting the alarm. Should be set for 1. We have to go back a little bit, and you'll hear it click on.
They threw her overboard for the first option they got that they liked better, which happened to be Barack Hussein Obama.
Push this button here,
she's sitting there. She can't figure it out. It was hers. They told her it was hers. Here comes this Obama.
Not on this one.
And she loses. This was to be her year 2016, and they rigged it this time.
By a little bit. I think
Debbie Blabbermouth Schultz's DNC rigged the primaries. There was no way that Crazy Bernie was going to win.
So you have to set the, if you want to sleep, set the alarm ahead a little bit, then push the button.
Really, have you somebody affecting the outcome of election? Look at what.
Okay, now in this function, gosh, I know nothing about this. You have to figure out all the functions of it, but there we go. Set the alarm off again,
election of the primary,
and then by pushing the button, see how it kills the volume? I'm not sure exactly how this function works, but you can see that the main things works now. I'm back on the radio. There is a hum. I'm going to try to demonstrate the hum. It doesn't happen all the time. The hum can be fixed by when I jiggle the knobs. That'll fix it. Sometimes I'm pushing in the back of the radio. I'm going to show you. So there it is. A little bit of a bump.
You
see that? There you go. You can see that there's some loose connections in here. Probably just needs some mild tweaking. However, the clock works great. Radio does work. Alarm works. Actually, I set it. It keeps good time. Very cool radio. I'll turn the radio off now. Radio is off. Alarm is off. So you can see vintage, cool. I'm going to zoom in on the face front a little bit. This is an RCA Victor 1940s alarm clock radio with some type of snooze function up here. Not sure how it works. It does have loose connections. Definitely going to need some work. It's sold as is, but still very cool, very vintage, and probably a good addition to your collection. Take care. Happy bidding.